My name is Matěj Žaba. I am a brewmaster of this facility. This is our brew house, the heart of all process. It's here. Here the magic is happening. You have these basic ingredients that you always need to get, which is water, malt, hop, yeast. The most important yeast, right? If there is no yeast, there is no alcohol. Malt is the basic ingredients for making a beer. The malt contains starch and some enzymes, and all of these are transferred into some simple sugars that the yeast can eat and change into the alcohol. We are using local malt. We are using malt from Czech Republic. We are in the European Union here, right? So all standards are controlled strictly by government. This malt is one of the top qualities in the world.
Let me welcome you here in Ano Vino Vinařství or Ano Vino Winery in Lednice. We are picking the grapes in the vineyard. When the grapes arrive in the winery, it goes to the machine which separates the raisins from the grape, and it goes straight to the presser room. We press the juice, we let it set it down for 12 or 16 hours, and then we pump the wine to the fermentation room. The fermentation is like a live process because we put the yeasts in the juice. For the winemakers, it's a big responsibility because when the fermentation goes in the juice and in the young wine, the smell and taste is made in the fermentation.
You are told by the label where the grapes come from, directly the field where it was grown. All of the grapes which were used to produce this wine, they are grown here in local vineyards. So the first thing when we are sampling wines, you look at the color and at the clearness. The second you taste or sample is smell, bouquet of the wine, its aromas. As a third, you sample the taste of the wine.